Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create X-ray effect in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and first of all we need to go to the effects menu, and here make sure you have selected the video effect, and we're going to search for neon outline effect. Okay, and there will be some effects for you guys, and you can choose this one. Okay, we can add this effect to our video and it will create something like this. As you can see that the X-ray effect has been created, and unfortunately in the Capcut PC we can't adjust the effect, but if you add this effect on your mobile phone you'll be able to adjust the intensity. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create X-ray effect in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.